Please. What's the longest river in Africa? Wife of the president. The president. Please, can you take that back? Thank you. How will you not know the wife of the president? Well, I'm not blaming you if you don't know it, because when I whole school now, they tell. Please. What's the longest river in Africa? Who is the wife of the president? The first lady. The wife of the president. The president. Please, can you take that back? Thank you. How will you not know the wife of the president? Well, I'm not blaming you if you don't know it, because when I whole school now, only 10 teachers I get. So if you don't know, it's not a problem. Don't feel bad. Who is the vice president of Nigeria? Shetima, what's his full name? You know, block those people. Let us talk. Okay, just stand here. So you're moving back. I don't want you to block the banner. The only means that they know they teach current affairs again for school. It's because they don't have teachers. In the whole primary school, they just need teachers. It's a shame. 80-90% of the people in this FCT are children in private school. But their security, they don't afford their children in private school.